Go Carpet Cleaning in Vinings, Georgia. Testimonials. Go Carpet Cleaning not only focuses on residential carpet cleaning, but we also excel in commercial carpet cleaning. We use natural solutions that are environment friendly, and 100% safe for your family members as well as your pets. At Go Carpet Cleaning, we take pride in our years of experience cleaning carpets in homes throughout Vinings. We're dedicated to providing the best service to our customers. Our professional and experienced carpet cleaners will use steam cleaning methods to eliminate any dirt or discoloration on your carpets. This is a safe process that uses no poisonous chemicals, so you can rest assured knowing your family is not being exposed to harmful toxins. Hear from some of our amazing customers who have found success with us.
Gal was amazing. We had an emergency situation and he came within an hour of us calling to handle our cleaning needs. The before and after were shocking. We are so grateful for his compassion and will have him finish the rest of the home very soon.
Very jovial. Explains everything into details. My carpet looks great. The stairs are wonderful.
Thank you, Ben, for a great job. Carpet is clean and smells so good.
Not only do we offer carpet cleaning, but also the following services. 1. Cleaning traffic patterns. 2. Upholstery cleaning. 3. Air duct cleaning. 4. Rug cleaning. 5. Pet stains and odors cleaning. 6. Commercial services. Get to know Vinings today. Vinings is a city in Cobb County, Georgia that sits close to the Chattahoochee River. It's only a short drive from downtown Atlanta. Vinings has a seniors property taxes exemption policy that favors all people aged 62 and above. It's no wonder that most elderly people choose to buy Vinings homes. If you're ever in Vinings, be sure to check out the Silver Comet Trail. This trail is perfect for a nature walk or hike, and has amenities like waterfalls and wheelchair accessibility. In addition to professional carpet and upholstery cleaning, we offer a variety of other services. To schedule any of our services, please call us or book online. Visit our website www.gocarpetcleaning.atlanta.com/carpet-cleaning-services/vinings-ga or call us at 678-818-5698.